Since I can see everybody's positions and their liquidation points, I wanted to do a top 10 crypto traders here. This is the number one algorithmic trader here, Jim Simons. I truly believe that the only way to trade is with a quantitative approach, or a simpler, more simple definition of that is a data dog approach. Look at the data, make sure that things work in the past. If they work in the past, they might work in the future. But that's what Jim Simons did. And he just said, make your systems better and better and better and better every single day. Now we have AI that can literally code for us. So even if you don't know how to code, learn a little bit of code. I didn't learn till I was 30, but now even YC says 95% of their companies are writing code all in AI, or 95% of the code that they write is in AI. So this is the number one algo trader in the world. Let's see who the top traders are here in the last few days on Hyperliquid. Let's go here to Hyperliquid stats first. Now let's do that at the end. I have something interesting here. Hyperliquid stats. This will show all the stats on this exchange. This is one of the biggest crypto exchanges out there. Somewhat decentralized. Okay, so let's go see who the top 10 traders are. So I can see everybody's positions here. Let's load it up here. You can see these are them as well. So I can see everybody's positions, and that's pretty nice. I can see when they get liquidated. I can see what their P&L is, everything. So you can see between a 0 and 2% move, there's this $7 million long liquidation here. Let's go check him out first. Let's see how they're doing, and I'm going to get the top 10 traders by the end of this. This is going to be sick. I'm going to use this site called HyperDash. Go ahead here and find this first trader. Okay, in the last week, he is down $167,000. So $109,000 in the last 24 hours, and he is long BTC. 100 in the last month, he is down 16,000, and all time he is down $3.3 million. I don't think he's one of the best. Let's go ahead and check out this next dude, and we're gonna formulate a top 10 here. A top 10, dude. Okay, let's go ahead and check this. Okay, we can see here this guy in the last 24 hours is down $5.4 million. This is a market maker. Looks like you can see all the positions here. Wow. So maybe this is a hedging market maker or something. That's the thing that we don't know, is we don't know what the component strategies they are running. So this guy, Jim Simons, had multiple strategies running. So while one is working, the others might not be working. So that's one interesting thing about looking at people's positions. But let's just keep going through them and try to find the top 10 here. So this guy, obviously, if you're just looking at it from a, we don't know his component strategies, if there is one. I hope there is one with that. 24 hours, this guy is down $124,000. He's in a short right now, 2.4 million. Okay, in the last week, he is down 435. Last month, 439. All time, 1 million. Okay, there's not very many winners so far. These are the 4 closest to liquidation. One thing to note here, and the reason I'm doing this is because there's going to be unlimited notes. One thing to note here, these guys are all using super high leverage, 40x, 20x, 35x, 40x. They're all bad traders. Or at least in the whole time they've been on Hyperliquid. So 20 to 40x leverage equals losing trader thus far. I've got my note sheet down here because the process that I follow each day is this. This is the process of automating your trading. It starts with research of trading strategies or alpha generation techniques. So looking at the top 10 traders, obviously an alpha generation technique, it's going to give me ideas. Yesterday, I was looking at this data all day. These are the liquidation points and everybody's positions. And I have a huge list of ideas now. Anyways, this is my RBI system to algo trading. So it starts with research and then it goes into back testing to see if it actually worked in the past. You got to start with research though. So a lot of the time you'll see me doing research like this. I'm looking for the top 10 traders here on Hyperliquid, see if it'll come up. I'll come up with any more ideas and then I'll back test those ideas. And if they work in the past, They might work in the future. This process will save you a ton of money and time, as you will not have to spend your money here in the implement until you know for a fact that it at least works in the past. So a lot of people want to run and build the bot right away, but I would encourage you to spend your time researching and backtesting, making sure there's actually an edge there in the system that you're going to build into a bot. So I built this system, the RBI system, to keep me on path, and I just show you guys over the shoulder each day what I do. This is free. It's a free roadmap here at moondev.com. I have over 1,600 hours of YouTube videos, and I help guide you through them, answer frequently asked questions, etc. That's moondev.com. But let's go ahead and keep going. I'm gonna start looking at the closest to liquidation, as we already went through these top 4 people here.